get Batman. I'm so scared. Okay, just gonna do it. Let's see which one I get. Oh my god, I'm so frightened. This is ridiculous. Okay, let me just lift up my camera here. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, it's in my head. You guys are seeing it first. Here, I'll try to put on the... Are you kidding me? No, it's impossible. No. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do another video. As you can see, I'm looking at my camera over here as well. I have a lot of cups here. Might not look like a lot, but my family has an obsession of buying these cups. We get them at Party City, Walmart, wherever we happen to see them. We're like, ooh, a new cup. So we've collected these over the last couple of years, and it's just like random characters from random movies or TV shows or whatever they might be. So I haven't seen anybody do a video like this, so I thought I would throw it out there and see what happens. I'm going to lay all these out for you right down here. Let me make some room, and I'm gonna close my eyes and choose one, and I'm not even gonna see how I'm laying them down. So hopefully they get all in camera. I really hope they do. So let me just check. I have 23 cups here, so you probably won't get a full overview of this. Check it in my camera. You can't see them all, but I don't even know where to put all these. Oh my god. So I'm really frightened to get Batman. Not being honest, I have a Batman cup, and the idea is either I'm going to draw one of the characters from it, or the whole scene, or exactly, I don't know if I've gotten everything. I think I have. Okay, let me see if I can lift up this camera just so you can see all of them. Sorry, I'm like off of this camera, but all of them are all over here, okay? So, oh my god, I don't want to get Batman. I'm so scared. Okay, just gonna do it. Let's see which one I get. Oh my god, I'm so frightened. This is ridiculous. Okay, let me just lift up my camera here. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, it's in my head. You guys are seeing it first. Here, I'll try to put on the... Are you kidding me? No, it's impossible. No. All these lying out here, or laying out here, and I decided to go in this direction because I figured the ones over here, I've seen the colors and I kind of know what they are, so I'm gonna go this way. What are the freaking chances? Sorry, excuse my language. Batman. Oh. I hate doing guys. Like, why couldn't I have gotten, I don't know, like this one with the superhero girls, minions. The what? This is absolutely freaking me out. I had such a feeling I would get this. I swear to God, I did not plan this at all. No, I don't want to do this. Okay, it's a challenge. I don't want to drop it. Look at this guy. Batman's so iconic, and I draw the way I draw, and I'm afraid I'm gonna mess it up. Now, I did say I could draw whatever from it. Maybe I'll just do the whatever that is, the logo, the Batman logo. Okay, I'm gonna pick another cup because that's impossible. I don't know how that happened. It's impossible. Okay. This is crazy. Okay. I'm gonna pick another cup. And I swear, the second cups I don't want to get because I have like 3 cups with, what are they called? Like emojis on it. And I don't want to do those ones either. I have a feeling that's going to be my next cup and I'm going to cry. Okay. I don't know where to go. This side or this side? Okay, I got from this side, so I'm gonna go closer to camera. Hey, that's the one I picked up before. No. I got this one. I didn't know where it was. I just put it back. Okay, you know what? I'm starting this over again. I refuse. No. Okay. I promise I will do Batman. Maybe this will be a 2-in-1 video of which one ends up looking nicer than the other. Okay, I'm gonna lay these all out again, not knowing where they are, with my eyes closed. Thanks for being patient, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the notification bell below and subscribe to this channel so you can see more weird and awkward. I'm pretty sure a cup fell because I heard something fall. See some more weird and awkward videos like this, or no, not or, and follow us on Instagram at KCatsArts. I'm trying to get on these. I know. Yeah. I have one on the floor. Yeah. I'm just gonna throw her over there because I'll pick her from in over here. Okay. I'm so scared. Yeah. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's just do it. This cup. Okay. Why is it all guys today? Kung Fu Panda. And Batman. Maybe they will make an appearance together. I think the world has balanced itself. Gave me some feng shui, or if that's what it's called. But these two have to be together. This cup. You know, classic Mickey. I don't know, Dory. Or Mike Wazowski. Here's what I got. Stay tuned and see how it turns out. obviously it's the next day. My clothes have changed. I needed a chance to think of what I was going to do for this project, and I really hope you liked the video. I actually end up enjoying it. I'm glad that I was able to knock out Batman and not have to do this one. I was kind of thinking of different ways of dressing up the Kung Fu Panda in the Batman outfit and that kind of stuff. And I know necessarily that it's not totally like this character. I just wanted to get the essence. So here's the finished project. Hope you like it. Yeah, like I said, I really enjoyed it. If you haven't followed me yet, please follow the link below. Hit the subscribe bell, the notification bell, every bell that there is. And follow us here on YouTube as well as on Instagram at KCatsArts. And just thank you for all of your love and everything that you guys have done for me. So just thank you so much, and thank you for all your kind words that you've left on Instagram. Shout out to Angel. Thank you. I love your work, and you've been so super nice to me. So thank you so much. And you're kind of inspiration for me in terms of wanting to do digital work and trying different techniques. I know that you're more realistic and you would nail this definitely, but this was my take. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the challenge. If anybody tries this out, please link me on Instagram at KCatsArts. That would be great. Or hashtag KCatsArts, whatever you want to do. And just thanks a lot. Watch previous video. Previous video is actually an art room tour. So if you're wanting to see my room here, even though this is the background that has been cleaned up, I promise, I show pretty much everything that is in my room and all that craziness. So just once again, thank you everybody that has subscribed to me, continue to subscribe to me. Please help me get to 1,000. That's a small goal and an ultimate goal, I guess. So thank you everybody. See you next time. Bye.